Hello and welcome to Let's Talk Meshing's Tutorial Tuesday, where we explore a feature in just a few minutes. In this week's video, we're discussing the advanced options on the Display Attributes panel. You can get to this from the View Attributes menu. Let's start by opening up Pointwise. Here we see an example of a nose cone with a fin sticking out of it. This is something that we use for our training class. Click on the View menu and select Attributes. You should now see a fourth tab that says Attributes. First things first, I'm going to select all of the entities shown here. Note that when I do that, the buttons over here on the panel become active. First, let's select the shaded button. Nothing will happen until I push the Update Entity Display button. Before we can use the advanced features, we have to make sure that the advanced frame is checked. The first thing we see in the advanced frame is the transparency slider. First, select an entity. In this case, I'll select the cone. Then I can use the slider to select the level of transparency. Now, once again, nothing will update until I push Update Entity Display. The next option is the ISO lines. Now, the ISO lines feature allows you to overlay a series of regularly spaced contour lines on your selected models, quilts, parametric database surfaces, or structured domains. Let's experiment. First, uncheck the defaults box. Let's change these values to 5 in the U direction and 5 in the V direction. Push the Update Entity Display button. And now you see the contour lines. Next up is the line width. In this box, you can change how thick the lines are drawn by specifying a new width in pixels. Let's change that to 10. Push Enter. Now, push the Update Entity Display. Now you can see all the lines are thicker. The next item is the Color to Mode. The Color to Mode option specifies the color of the interior and boundary lines when the fill style is set to either flat or shaded with interior or boundary lines enabled. The Triangle Density option controls the number of triangles used to render the selected database surfaces. In our example here, we have two surfaces on this fin that are so close together that the corners are bleeding through each other visually. Let's select these two surfaces and change the triangle density to some higher value, such as 100. Push Enter, and then push the Update Entity Display button. You can see that the bleed through has gone away. And last but not least is the Line Density option. Line Density controls the number of line segments used to render the selected database curves and contour lines. Let's select all of our entities and change the line density to 5 and 5. Once again, push the Update Entity Display button, and now you can see that the curves are defined by a specified number of line segments. If you like this video, be sure to click on the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.